Cubana, calling on Senator Fanyoba, calling on Senator Rochas Okocha, calling on Governor Hope Uzodinma, I'm calling on all that matters in Igbo land. I may not remember your name, but all of you, you have good human hearts. I ain't done. I'm begging you to champion this. We need fund. Luckily today as I arrived at Abuja Airport, Imon gave me 250,000 and that is actually what sustained. And now they are requesting, because I'm bleeding inside, not just the kidney problem, but I'm bleeding life. I don't want to die, I don't want to lose my children, they are too tender. I don't want to leave them behind. Save me, help me in any way you can. My account number is UBA 100-636-2059 100-636-20.
Mother of our Nollywood actor does still cry come out again. Oh, this our Nollywood actor into the scene too. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling, my correct people, this video today now about this our gospel, they sing gospel music and they say they sing you see the art for Nollywood sometimes, you know, but you know just too much like that. So I see I dey go for Facebook street just now. Now I see one video where in the cry say me the air palm, say me they not let him me abeg him get kidney problem and the thing in they get blood inside that be I don't know why they talk am. I will see put the video more and see am. As I just see the thing just now, the thing just shock me. Say, another one does still come again. Like seriously, I beg. Make una share this video. More make sure say Pastor Jeremiah see this video. I know say now in they always they help them with money like this. Where. More make sure say una share this video. Go give her. I beg. I use God to beg una. More share this video. Go give her. Because this our brother. We not go see just see, allow this one make this one go like that too. Because he does see cry come out now say I beg make una help am. Mona help am beg. Anybody wey see this my video, mona share am. Make this our brother not go like that too. Because wetin call the happen for this world now we don't know. We don't know wetin dey happen. And I understand. So as I see this video just now, I say no. Make I come do am. Mona see wetin dey happen for inside the world. I beg my people. Mona share this video. I beg because now somebody life nine days so because the way they talk yesterday in the hospital bed when you do this video, and even call some big people name for this thing there for Igbo land there. He call some baby people name say I beg me they not let me like this. May they help him. I beg. Now beg indeed. He was crying like I beg. Anybody will see this video make it help me share. I beg. Share the video. That hand where you go to share, I not go do you anything. The hand go only bring blessings to you. You hear my people? When we share them because these Nollywood people, the way they take they sick these days, we don't understand. You understand? We don't understand. So we not go want to make him seriously go like that. Like. We don't want to make him go like that. I seriously cry come on now because the way everything be now, social media now. Now everybody they cry to now. Because they don't make social media be the key to everybody problem now. Because if you get any problem, now just cry on social media. That's what it be. So if you cry on social media, you see one or two people will go help you. According to him, he said where in the community meet him money for Lagos. I mean I don't know what say for Siam. So him money come give him 200,000. You understand? So now the 200,000 now is saying they use since. But now see things now you not get money again. And they need to see pay hospital bill. So now he make him cry come out now say maybe we help him. But we not let him me like that. I beg my people. Anybody will see this video make it help me share them. But we not let this our brother just to go like that too. I beg my people. I beg. I use God native beg una. Maybe we help this our brother. It may not still go like that too. I no. Supposing we know for help, it don't late. So we just do it now. I see does he cry come out now. Say may we help him. He even call his account number. He put his number for the in case you want call him. Because this one now not be saying form in the hospital bed. He can't even change. Maybe not even know him again safe. He can't change. You understand, my people? I beg anybody will see this video, make you share and more. I beg. We will not let this our brother just still go like that too. Because if you go like that, it will pay everybody. It will pay well because not be this kind of time we'll see a story that touches the heart. So my people, I beg. We will share the video. I'm gonna share the video, I beg. Now only that share, every people could say no, say something they read the happen. You understand? But if we not share them, we not go know whether something they happen. So I let this share. Because I procode the Godfather, let me see the video just now. Now I say no, make I run one. So maybe we share the video. If we share the video, people go see them. If we not share that, people not go see them. You understand? So that be the team, people. So thank you. I'll put the video now. Mona see them. Mona see what they happen for the world. Bye, everybody.
My name is Christian. By the grace of God, a famous gospel artist. I'm calling on help to every good man in Nigeria. All Igbos and mothers, all the Igbo sons and daughters, Nigeria at large. I'm right here now at Zenith Kidney Center, Abuja. And the urgent money is needed. I'm calling on e-money, calling on Bikubana, calling on Senator Fanyoba, calling on Senator Rocha, calling on Governor Hope Uzodinma. I'm calling on all that matters in Igbo land. I may not remember your name, but Bikubana, all of you have good human hearts. I ain't done. I'm begging you to champion this. We need fund. Luckily today as I arrived at Abuja Airport, E-money gave me 250,000 and that is actually what sustained. And now they are requesting, because I'm bleeding inside, not just the kidney problem, but I'm bleeding life. I don't want to die, I don't want to lose my children, they are too tender. I don't want to leave them behind. Save me, help me in any way you can. My account number is UBA 100-636-2059 100-636-2059. The account name is Prince Chinedu Wadike, UBA Bank. And you can also call me on my number 080-343-939-71. My people always around to answer your call. Please, God bless you all, my Igbo people.